What I'm going to go over in this video is how to determine if lines are parallel when you're just given the equation. So if you're just given an equation, both equations need to be in slope-intercept form. They need to be in the right order. It has to be y is equal to the slope beside x and the y-intercept on the end. Teaching these things or putting these things in slope-intercept form is another video I've done. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to go ahead and look at the video, look at the equations, and see if they are parallel from what we're given. Here are two equations. Y is equal to, once it's y is equal to, and after the equal there is a number in front of x, this number right here is your slope. Looking at this other one over here, this one is your slope. If these two numbers right in front of the x, as long as both of these equations are in the correct order, if both of those numbers are the same, then these two lines are parallel because the slopes are parallel. Let's look at the next two equations. The number in front of x right here is 1/2. The number in front of the x right here is 1/3. These two lines right here are not parallel because the numbers in front of the x, or the slopes, are not the same. These two are because these numbers are the same. These two are not because these numbers are not the same. Now, if an equation is not in slope-intercept form, then you need to change it into slope-intercept form. And I'm going to go over just one simple technique to make sure that it's in slope-intercept form. This one right here is the one that's in the correct order because it's y is equal to a number in front of x, the y-intercept on the end. This one is not in the correct order. This right here should be right after the equal sign. So a little simple technique you can do is you can pick this up and put it in the right spot, which would be right there. The act of picking it up and moving it always changes the sign. So now it's in the right order. Y is equal to, because this has been moved on the other side of the equal sign. When I move it, the sign changes. This right here is a +2, so I put +2. Now I need to compare these two. The slope on this one, -5x. The slope on this one, -5x. The slopes are the same. These two lines are parallel. For lines to be parallel, they have to have the same slope, and these equations have to be in the correct order, in slope-intercept form.